Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dell's new Alienware m16 and m18 gaming laptop. So friends, the 16-inch Alienware m16 gaming laptop features the Ryzen 7 7745HX CPU and friend GeForce RTX 4060 GDDR6, 8GB graphics, DDR5 4800 16GB memory, 1TB M.2 SSD storage and 2560 into 1600 resolution with a 165Hz refresh rate. And friend, Dell Technology has reintroduced the latest addition to their gaming laptop offerings, the Alienware m16 and m18 gaming laptop, which are the part of high-end Alienware gaming PC series. And this laptop prioritizes top-notch performance and are equipped with an efficient cooling system, including a vapor chamber, element 31 thermal conduction material, 4 ultra-slim fan blades, and up to 7 heat pipes for optimal CPU and GPU cooling. And the laptop comes with wired and wireless LAN plus Bluetooth connectivity powered by Qualcomm WCN6856 and operates on a 6-cell 86-hour battery. And friend, the laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and priced at $2048. And friend, the 18-inch Alienware m18 gaming laptop shares similar specification with the m16 model, including Ryzen 7 7745HX CPU, GeForce RTX 4060 GDDR6, 8GB graphics, DDR5 4800, 16GB memory, 1TB M.2 SSD storage, and 2560 into 1600 resolution with a 165Hz refresh rate. And the laptop also features wired and wireless LAN plus Bluetooth connectivity powered by Qualcomm WCN6856 and operates on a 6-cell 97-hour battery. And friend, it will be comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and priced at $2219. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.